So first of all, before you design any kind of website, first thing you have to do is to get your domain name and hosting. If you are not a newbie, you should know that already. But if you're a newbie, you are getting to know that first of all, you have to get your domain name and hosting. Nothing works on the internet without your domain name and hosting. So the first step we are going to do is to get your domain name and hosting. I know the next question you're asking is, how do I get my domain name and hosting, or where do I get my domain name and hosting? And I'll show you. I have several places you can get it from, but I'll strongly recommend you get it from weboraclehosts.com. So all you need to do is just to go to your browser, type weboraclehosts.com. This particular hosting service is very, very reliable. I recommend it to anybody, especially newbies, because they have everything you want. It is built having you in mind, right? Different kind of hosting, and it's very, very simple. And their support, just in case you run into any issue, their support is very seamless, right? So if you come to weboraclehost.com, this is what it looks like. We have two types of hosting. We have the DMCA, we have the shared hosting. And the difference is clear. The DMCA, if you are looking to design sensitive websites, downtime sensitive websites, like investment websites and the likes, you can choose DMCA. But if you're just designing a normal business website, like this one we are going to design just to sell things online, you use shared hosting. So those are the difference, right? This is what the hosting looks like. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So first thing you want to do is to click on this button here that says login or register. So when you click on login or register, obviously it brings you to, okay, I'm already logged in, so that is why it's here. So let me log out. I'll log out and start afresh so that you see what it looks like. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, so when you click on login/register, this is where it comes. It brings this page up for you to log in. So if you already created an account on Web Oracle Host, you just go straight to login here, right? But if you don't have an account, you go to the top right corner here and click on register. So if you click on register, obviously everything will show up: your first name, last name, company name, optional, street address, city, and a whole lot. You can fill this out. As soon as you fill it out, you click on register. So once you click on register, you get into your dashboard, and from your dashboard you can start making purchase of your domain name and hosting, right? So I am not going to register because I already have an account. So I'll just click on login here. I'll just click on login here and I'll log in with my account. Okay, so let's assume you're done registering an account, right? You can either choose Naira or dollar. So let's assume you are done registering an account and you are now in your dashboard. I'll now show you what your dashboard is going to look like, right? Me, I'll just log in because I have an account already. So logging in to my dashboard, I think there's an error somewhere. So let me just clear this error and log in again. Let me log in. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me. Okay, so I'll quickly log in. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. Because after now, you're going to learn something very valuable. You know, as a web designer, you don't have to stress it, especially if you're a newbie. There are so many ways to just get things done. And you should learn how to also advise your clients on the right things to do. Because some persons want to sell something online and they want to start designing something robust. So here we are. This is our dashboard. If you create your account, this is what it's going to look like. Your services is going to be 0, your domain is going to be 0. Now I've bought a hosting before, that's the services one, and I've bought 2 domains on this account. So that is why you can see the numbers here, and you can see an active product here, your active products here. This is a hosting I bought, and this is the domains that I bought, right? So this is not where we want to be. This is not where we want to be. This is where we want to be, right? So this is your dashboard. So the first thing first you're going to do, like I said, is to get your domain name and hosting, and that is what we're about to do. And trust me, getting your domain name and hosting on Web Oracle Host is simple. It's very, very simple. It's even simpler than toasting a woman. I know most of you watching this video, you probably toasted a woman today, or last week, or this month, I don't know. Or if you're a lady watching this, I don't know if we have ladies here. I don't know if we have ladies in tech here. If you're a lady here, you can let us know in comment section so that we'll know you, that you're a lady in tech. Well, it's very, very simple. To get a domain name and hosting is very, very simple. So let's get started. We are getting our domain name and hosting. So first of all, what you have to do is come with me. You are buying your domain name and hosting. You are buying them together, right? So first of all, you go to hosting. As you can see hosting here, you click it, you see a drop down. These are the two options. You have standard hosting and we have DMCA. Now, like I explained, standard hosting is for normal website, business website like this one we are going to build now. Then DMCA, anytime you are building a downtime sensitive website like investment websites and the likes, you can use DMCA because the server is strong. So for this particular scenario, we are going to use standard hosting. So just click on standard hosting, right? You click on standard hosting, it will open up. Now this thing is in dollar. It's showing in dollar because while creating an account in this account, I chose dollar. You can decide to choose naira. The two currency currently available on Web Oracle Host is naira and dollar. So you can choose dollar, you can choose naira. Whichever one you choose will work for you. If you choose dollar, you are still going to pass through the same process. If you choose naira, still the same process. So I'm going to come to basic plan is fine. Basic plan, you can have just one website on it. Power plan, you can have two websites. You can read up these 3 websites, but I think basic plan will just work for you. So let's just click on order now. Click on order now to take us to the next page, which is the domain site. So we are going to register a new domain. If you see you can see the option register a new domain, transfer your domain from another registrar. I will use my existing domain and update my name server. Now this is what this means. If you already bought your domain from another registrar, you want to transfer it to Web Oracle, you can choose this option, right? Then, if you bought a domain name from another registrar and you want to just use hosting from this particular explanation is not for newbies. It's for people that are already into web design. If you're already into web design, you understand what I'm saying. If you already have a domain name from another registrar and you want to actually just point the name server to this hosting, you choose this option. But for the sake of newbies, people that want to come and just buy domain name and hosting straight up, endeavor to choose register a new domain, right? If you click on register a new domain, you will now type the domain name here that you want to register. Now for me, I would choose a domain name. Let me look for a domain name to choose. What domain name can we choose? What domain name can we choose? For the purpose of this video, this is just like I'm doing this to just teach you. We're going to be using, let's assume you're an agent, a real estate agent, you have some properties you want to showcase and for people to come and, take a look and contact you to make purchase. So let's say your name is Wheels. You can say build with Wheels, right? Or build feature with Wheels. So you just put the domain here. Be careful. Don't put the domain with .com. Just put the domain here. You can see the extension or is already .com here. If you want to check, use other extensions, you can come down. You have .net, .org, .site, and we have a whole lot of them here. But .com just works fine for me. So I'll just choose .com and click on check. So we'll check if it's available. As you can see, it's available. Build feature with wheels.com is available. It's very much available. Continue to register this domain for $13. This is the amount in dollars. If you're in naira, it will show you the amount in naira. So I'll just click on continue. Like I said, this is very, very simple. Simpler than what you already do. So I will buy for 1 year. Excuse me. I'll buy for 1 year. This price is for 1 month. If you like, you can buy for 1 month. But for me, I like to buy for 1 year so that I'll save money. Because 1 year is $16. And if I'm calculating $2.24 USD times 1 year is almost $30. So You can imagine almost times two. So I'll just choose 1 year, right? So if I choose 1 year, um, as you can see, I've chosen 1 year. It has changed to $16. I'll just click on continue. I'll click on continue. So clicking on continue, if you are here, if you want ID protection, this one is not necessary, but if you want it, you can tick it so that your information that you used to register will not be available online on HOIS. That one is for web designers already, you know what that means. But let's not go into there. Just build future with Wales. Just click on continue. Just click on continue. As you can see, like I said, very simple. So you can see your order here, a preview of your order. We have basic plan here, $16. We have domain registration, $13. So in total, it comes up to $29. So let's just proceed to checkout. I'll proceed to checkout, right? So if I proceed to checkout, as you can see, here, everything everything looks fine, right? Everything looks fine. So I'll just complete order. So I'll click on complete order to complete my order. Okay, so once we've gotten to this page, everything is correct. If you like, you can download your invoice. If you like, you can print it, but all those things are not necessary. So all you have to do is you can pay with Monify here, right? Click on pay with Monify. Then you just settle down and allow it to load up the page. As you can see, this is the information. It has already resolved the amount in naira because this is the settings here. So the amount of the equivalent amount of dollar that is this. So you can choose to pay with bank transfer. If you are a naira person, you're in Nigeria, you can just easily transfer. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can choose card payments, right? So that it will resolve it, or USDT your phone number. But I will have to choose bank transfer. So you have to make transfer to this number. Immediately you make transfer to this number, to this account number here, automatically everything is set up. So I'm going to take a moment to make this payment. I decided to do it end to end so that you see how to get this done. So I'll be right back and I'll make payments and I'll let you know. As you can see, the transaction was successful. In between the line, I had a network glitch, so I think that is why this thing is still loaded. But you saw when the transaction was successful. So that is that for that. As you can see, easy peasy. To get your domain name and hosting is the simplest part of this whole thing. And the first part, and also the most important part. So now that I've gotten our domain name and hosting, your email should have received your cPanel details, right?